If you're considering an aesthetic treatment, then this video is for you because I'm going to tell you the 5 treatments that I would never do as a medical consultant and skin specialist. My name's Dr. Ifeoma Ejikeme. I own a Donia medical clinic, and every day I treat patients with skin and aesthetic complaints. But there are 5 treatments that I just won't do. It's not necessarily that they're the worst treatments, but there are 5 treatments that for the wrong person at the wrong time with the wrong skin tone can cause catastrophe. So let's get into it. The first treatments are threads. Now, you often see them marketed as a non-surgical treatment, and essentially a thread, specifically PDO threads, is where you place a thread with barbed sutures in and underneath the skin, and then it's pulled up. It's supposed to lift the skin. Now, I've seen all sorts of complaints with this, everything from puckering to dimples in the skin to scarring to eyebrows that are too lifted or not lifted enough. What I've come to the conclusion in terms of threads is that there's too much downtime, and after 6 to 12 weeks, the results are not that good. The reason for that is these are not anchored to anything. A thread goes in here and comes out here, and so gravity will then slide it straight back. So whilst the immediate before and afters can be quite impressive, over time I've found that for the swelling, the pain, and the potential complications, I just don't think it's worth it. I wouldn't have it on myself, and I don't offer it in clinic. The second treatment that I would never have is IPL, and I would never do this in my patients of skin types 5 and 6. If you have black and brown skin, IPL is just not for you. It's not necessarily a bad treatment in itself. IPL is usually marketed as a type of laser, but actually it's broad spectrum light. Light is placed on the skin, it is hot, and it causes burning of the top layers of the skin. Now, if you are skin types 1 or 2, this can be really good to help with redness or pigmentation, but it absorbs water and heats the skin quite a lot. So if you're a darker skin type like me, this is an absolute no-no. There are so many videos online that you can see of what happens if darker skin has IPL. Burns, irritation, swelling, it's just an absolute no-no. It should just be cancelled. The third treatment that I absolutely would not do is microneedling at home. Microneedling, specifically derma rolling your skin, is just a recipe for disaster. This is something that I frequently treat in clinic when people have used microneedling or at-home devices, and it's caused tugging and scarring of their skin. This can lead to light spots, hyperpigmentation, these are dark spots. It can lead to scratches on the skin, and it can even lead to scars. So if you are thinking of doing a microneedling procedure, I would always recommend using a pen and having that done in clinic. There are great things you can do at home to help improve the skin, like LED masks, but microneedling is not one of them. Number 4, the next thing I would never do to my skin is non-medical fat dissolving injection. There are so many I've seen online, like lemon bottle injections. These are not regulated. If I was to inject something to my skin, I would want to make sure that it's FDA approved, it has literature behind it, and it's not going to cause inadvertent scarring. Lots of different fat dissolving injections have been linked to things like infections, scarring, nodules, and even dents and dimpling in the skin. And they're injecting it in all sorts of different body parts, such as the chin or even the stomach. So this is something I just wouldn't do. There are some FDA approved products like Kybella that are much safer and effective to be done if you're interested in fat dissolving injection. Number 5, and this probably is the one I feel most passionate about, is a plasma pen on the eyelid. This is something I just would never do. A plasma pen essentially takes a little pen with some heat on the end of it, and it's tapped on the skin of the eyelid, and it causes these micro burns. Now, I don't know any medical professional that does this in their clinic, and I certainly would never advocate for this. It causes these tiny uncontrolled burns, and I've seen light spots, dark spots, irregularities in the skin, scarring, tethering, all sorts from it. I wouldn't do this on the lighter skin type, and I certainly wouldn't do it on the darker skin type. So this is something universally I just wouldn't do. If you're looking for an eyelid treatment, there are so many that are much safer, much more regulated, like CO2 laser or even an upper bleph. So the plasma pen for me is an absolute no. If you are thinking of an aesthetic treatment, there are some that are absolutely brilliant. And if you want me to go through my 5 treatments that I think are universally brilliant, comment 5 and I'll make a video for you.